Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I am back again with another product, a couple of products. They're actually the same, but there's two of them. It's from HASIKA. I actually have their awning that goes over the back of my Jeep. What I like about these guys right here is these are little squat stools or footrests, however you want to use them, or even because they have the capability of holding a little bit of weight, you might be able to prop something on top of it. So what is it? I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you real quick. There are two of them. Let me set this over here. This is it. Very lightweight. You just pull it open and lock it open. Now, I do like the idea that you could put your foot in there, you could put something else, maybe you can squat on this at an angle, get your butt in there and it'll sit. You got stake holes if you need to stake this down to make sure it doesn't move. What I do like too is they have a pretty decent sized pocket to put your phone if you like. Put something else, you can put that in there and it'll hold it. I do like the idea that you could possibly use this as a stand even. I was just thinking about that because I was looking at another table type thing. You could put, and I'm looking if I have something that might be worthy to set on there stand-wise. But yeah, no, it's again, perfectly used. Idea is footstool. So you're sitting down in your chair, you want to prop up and use this as a footstool, or you want to go ahead and just squat right on this thing because it's going to hold a lot of weight. And yeah. That is pretty darn cool. Really small, lightweight guys. I love how you can put the second guy, if it's got a flat bottom, you can actually put something on here. You know what? I do have a little something. Hold on, let's do this. So let's say maybe you got like a shower bucket or you got something else that you want to set on here, right? Get that up above the ground. And I'm just saying this could be an idea, but it could be anything else, like a piece of wood, maybe as a table so that you could set something else on it. Maybe. This is kind of an angled piece, so maybe even putting these together and you got yourself something you can set a larger thing on and get whatever it is down below off the ground. Yes, I know the intent is for these to be footstools or squat stools, seating pads, but they're also great. They're also great for your adaptability. The biggest thing you can have in the field is something that can be adapted. You can make it into anything that you want. If you bring something that's a sole purpose and it's big and bulky and it only is for one silly little thing that you're going to use for 5 minutes out of each day, why bring it when you can do something else that can do as a footstool? Also as a seat, you can sit down. You can sit down on this thing. Maybe you need to be able to get down low, work on the car, maybe a fire, maybe whatever it is that you're working on, you need to sit down and get low. And then even more so, use it as something to hold above the ground, just in case maybe you're in a rainy zone, but you got something that can get rained on, but you don't want it in the water. Maybe it's got electronics in it and it can get rained on, but not flooded. So, but yeah, there you go. Both of those. Are you pointing that way? These things are pretty small. You might actually be able to fold this up, put it in the pocket. There you go. If you're not going to put a phone or whatever in there, you can put your bags in there. Call it done. This one folded up just a little bit better than the other one. See, there you go. Okay, and it's holding me. It's actually not that low, surprising. I know I'm sitting a little uncomfortable, but it's not that low, and I'm sitting down on it, bouncing on it. It's holding me. Okay, so just as quick as you like, pull your bag out, fold up your stool, chair, whatever you like. You can smell that kind of canvasy smell to it. There we go. Had to get around the edge. Tuck this underneath. There you go. That's how you're supposed to do it. You should tuck that little pouch underneath the arms. There it is. You now have two extremely lightweight chairs, stools, support. I don't know how much better that can be. Multiple adaptability for this device. So, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time, and I'm out.